When you have an application idea or a feature and you try to explain it to your team or clients or even your friends, everyone will have a different picture in their imagination of your idea. And sometimes this can lead to misunderstanding and would cost some time and effort to deliver the idea that you have in mind. Sketching is a fundamental part of the UX design process and best practice for designers. Through sketches, you can propose, explore, and communicate your ideas in the early stages of the design process. My name is Dima Statiya, and I'm a UX designer and a front-end developer. And I'm going to lead you through this class, from sketching basic shapes into sketching interactions and navigation. You can't draw? That's fine. You don't have to be an artist to make sketches for your ideas. By the end of this class, you will be able to sketch user interfaces for your application. For the class project, you will be sketching a simple user interface for a mobile application, and I suggest you sketch a food delivery application for your favorite restaurants. You can learn more about the project in the project section.